Hi everyone. Before class we are discussing about the working functions of FSK modulation. Now we are entering to the next topic, frequency bandwidth of FSK modulation. Frequency bandwidth of FSK modulation. In FSK modulation, input side we are applying two input signals and output side we are getting FSK output signal. Already we know input side we are applying two input signals and output side we are getting FSK output signal. In this process we are determining the frequency variation message and carrier signals. In the conversion of FSK output by using input signals, we can find out the variation of frequency variation of between message and carrier signal. So in that region we have to find out the frequency bandwidth between the signals. So in that region we have to find out the frequency bandwidth signals. This is the formula of bandwidth is equal to 1 plus d into r. In frequency shift keying techniques, bandwidth is equal to 1 plus d into r. 1 plus d into r. And it is the waveform of bandwidth. Cutoff carrier frequency will split into two major parts, that's why it is called 2 delta f. 2 delta f. Bandwidth of FSK is equal to 1 plus d into r by 2, 1 plus d into r by 2 plus 2 delta f. Why? Because carrier frequency is split into two equal parts. When we are simplifying this equation, bandwidth of FSK is equal to 1 plus d into r plus 2 delta f. 1 plus d into r plus 2 delta f. Here 2 delta is equal to 1 plus d into r by 2 plus 1 plus d into r by 2. When we are simplifying 2 delta f equal to 1 plus d into r, this is equation number 2. So equation 1, 2 will be substituted in the equation number 1. Bandwidth of FSK equal to 1 plus d into r plus 2 delta f. Already we know the value of 2 delta f, 1 plus d into r. When we are simplifying both equation, the final equation is 2r into 1 plus d. And we are also finding minimum and maximum frequencies of bandwidth of FSK. Minimum frequency, let us consider d equal to 0, and maximum frequency let us consider d equal to 1. The minimum frequency FSK is equals to 2r into 1 plus d. When we are replacing d equal to 0, the total value is 2r, and maximum frequency of d equal to 1, so simplifying equation is 4r. So these are the two different formulas of FSK minimum and maximum bandwidth, at the same time FSK frequency. And next one is levels of FSK. In levels of frequency is represents L equal to 2 power n. L equal to 2 power n. Let n equal to n1, it will substitute, it will replace 2 power n. 2 power 1 equal to 2, that means it will generating two signals, f0 carrier 0, carrier frequency 0 and carrier frequency 1. That means it will generate two intervals. Let n equal to 2, it will generate 4 intervals. Let n equal to 3, it will generate 8 intervals. And then after we are finding the L levels of bandwidth of FSK. It is represents as bandwidth of L level FSK equal to, this is the formula of bandwidth of L, 1 plus d into r plus L minus 1 into 1 plus d into r. Let d equal to 0. L level of bandwidth equal to LR. When we are replacing D equal to 0, the final simplifying equation is R plus LR minus R. RR cancel and remaining value is LR. And this is the formula of LR. And this is the formula of LR. So by using when we are replacing D equal to 1, in previous when we are replacing D equal to 0, in previous we are replacing at the level formula of bandwidth level of FSK 1 plus D into R plus L minus 1 into L 1 plus D into R. Let D equal to 0. BL bandwidth level FSK is equal to 1 plus 0 into R plus L minus 1 into 1 plus D replace 0. So final equation is LR. At the same time, let replace D equal to 1. So just let us D equal to 1. When we are replacing at the place of D is equal to 1, so the final equation is 2R plus 2LR minus LR. 2R 2R cancel, final equation is 2LR. So these are the different formulas of bandwidth level FSK at D equal to 0, bandwidth level at D equal to bandwidth level at D equal to 1. This is the formula. And bandwidth level D equal to 0. This is the formula. And this is the overall formula for L level bandwidth of FSK. L level bandwidth of FSK is equal to 1 plus D into R plus L minus 1 into 1 plus D into R. And already we are determining maximum bandwidth of FSK equal to 4R and minimum bandwidth of FSK is equal to 2R, and overall bandwidth of FSK is equal to 2R into 1 plus D. And these are the several formulas and several equations to simplifying or calculating the frequency bandwidth and frequency shift keying. So this is the working operation of to determining the bandwidth of frequency shift keying. By using frequency shift keying, we are calculating the different frequency levels. Why? Because once again we are seeing the meaning of frequency bandwidth of FSK modulation. In FSK we are using two input signals from input side, and output side we are getting FSK output signal. In this process we are determining the frequency variations between message and carrier signals. When we are input side applying carrier and modulating signals, and when we are applying input signals from input side carrier and modulating signal, and output side we are getting FSK output signal. That means digital information is converted is in the form of analog. That means we are using modulating and carrier pulses at the same time internally using clock pulses to convert the digital information is in the form of analog with respect to time and frequency. The amplitude of the carrier will changes with respect to instantaneous values of the modulating signal. So in that situation we are calculating different frequency levels of bandwidth to determining the situations of fc0, fc1 and fc3 intervals. So that means each interval will be depends on particular fc value. So this is the overall operation of frequency bandwidth of FSK modulation. Thank you.